Science and Dogma by Pushpa M. Bhargava. Dr. Pushpa Mitra Bhargava, who was born in 1928 and who died in the year 2017, who was a visionary scientist, writer, thinker, institution builder, and a strong proponent of scientific temper, was actually a fearless torch-bearer of rationalism and humanism. He was the founder director of Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, CCMB, Hyderabad. Science and Dogma is an essay by Pushpa M. Bhargava, featured as the 12th chapter in the book Angels, Devils, and Science. In this essay, Bhargava highlights the conflict between scientific understanding and dogmatic beliefs and talks about the need of questioning the dogmatic beliefs and accepting the scientific understanding for the true progress. According to Bhargava, the spirit of questioning lies at the heart of science, whereas dogma works on unquestioning acceptance. Dogma, by definition, is an opinion or a tenet accepted entirely on the basis of faith without questioning. But at the same time, everything in religion, custom, convention, and tradition is not dogma. However, both religion and science arose as a result of the inbuilt desire in man to find answers to questions pertaining to natural phenomena like air, water, light, birth, disease, and death. That must be behind the formations of religions. Pagan religions appeared earlier and codified religions later. But the scientific method that took formal shape appeared only 8 centuries ago. However, the answers provided to questions by religion and science have been different, often contradictory. However, the scientific answers are verifiable, repeatable, and objective, and do not depend on the whims and fancies or desires of a particular individual. But the answers of the religions are just opposite of this, as they are based on dogmatic beliefs. When the dogmatic beliefs represent the fear of the unknown, the science and scientific answers represent an understanding of the known. Growth of scientific knowledge is a continuous process, and science is therefore evolutionary. But the dogmatic beliefs, once founded, continue substantially unchanged. Thus, the science is forward looking, whereas the dogmatic beliefs are backward looking. Belief in rebirth and soul is a widely accepted dogma, even though there is no reliable evidence for them. Unfortunately, the belief in rebirth and soul gives credibility to a host of social evils such as the caste system, communalism, and linguistic chauvinism in the minds of the people. A sense of superiority due to the circumstances of birth is established. The DNA based genetic makeup of an individual, that is, the primary determinants of one's ability, capability, or competence is totally neglected. That is how inhumanism, oppression, and exploitation have deep rooted in the society. Moreover, when religion based dogmatic beliefs make people believe in the existence of heaven and hell and in astrology, science continues its journey to challenge death by replacing the heart in human body. It is also searching for the possibilities of creating an identical person from any of his cells. As science has equipped man to raise a whole carrot plant from a single cell of the same now, no doubt one day science will definitely succeed in its attempt. Actually, the privileged and influential people are behind the pressures to cling to the dogmatic beliefs that prevent the majority from progressing. They need the majority to remain ignorant and never question the dogmatic beliefs. That was why Lord Buddha said, believe nothing merely because it is traditional and you have been told it even by your teacher whom you respect. After due examination and analysis, if you find it to be conducive to the good, the welfare of all beings, take it as your guide. So, we should adhere to science and scientific understanding and not to dogma and dogmatic beliefs to attain true progress.